Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to an update on Conflux and the CFX token, which has been and still is very, very bullish. We're up about 140%. Volume around or above 300 million, which is double the market cap. If you take a look at where the volume is coming from, it's all credible sources as well. So a huge bull run for Conflux, which obviously followed after the news yesterday. So we'll just do a brief update or a brief recap on that news yesterday, and then we'll get into the technicals. The technicals for Conflux right now are fairly difficult, but still I'll try to do my best to explain everything to you, or at least everything I think. So yeah, the news was that they are the main partner, or they are integrated in Little Red Book, which is China's Instagram, which I think you could also make arguments for why this would be bad news, but it is very good news for now. You can see NFTs minted on Conflux, so this is also a boost to the NFT part of Conflux, and it's a huge application. So that Conflux is integrated is obviously good news, and the market cap is obviously going to double because of it, which we have already done as well. So great news. That was it. If we take a look at the technicals now, what you can see is that we first got all the way up to 6.5 cents. Strong resistance level, struggled with that a bit. I think yesterday this was my price target. Now obviously we reached that and we even broke through quite decisively. So now what we have just done, and what makes it very interesting, is that we were struggling with this level right here, between 7.3 cents and 7.7 cents. But obviously, as most of you might know, 7.5 cents is really the strongest level in that. Just if you take a look at the level, technically it's not even respected to that much, even though the price respected that level at important moments. But 7.5 is a huge psychological support level, or a huge psychological key level. So it's really key that we've just broken above that. And what's going to happen really depends on whether we can hold that or not. So what we did before that is we briefly touched this level between $8 and 8.5. There's just there's a lot of resistance levels between $8 and $9, as you can see, and 9.5. So I would argue that our price target really is between 9.2 and 9.5. That's where we want to get. Now the only way in which we could really get there is if we are able to stay on top of 7.5. That's the first thing. We need to stay on top of 7.5. If right now as well, if 7.5 breaks on the 4-hour time frame, what will happen is we'll take a break retest and then we'll probably start falling. To at least 6.5, 6.3, but I think we'll probably fall down even lower towards 5.7 and 5.5. All right, so 7.5 needs to hold, 7.5 cents. And then afterwards, what we need to do, I think, is we need to break above on the 4-hour time frame. So another bullish breakout above 8 cents. I think that's everything we need to do. That's not even that high from where we are right now, but I think we need to get that bullish breakout. If we can do that, I think we're up towards 9 cents and 9.5 cents. But this is actually more difficult than you might expect. And at this point of time, I mean, unfortunately, I don't really have a bias. I mean, yesterday I said that reaching 6.5 would be amazing and very hard. And we did that quite easily. I would argue that this is right now, while we're still above 7.5 cents, this is the most likely scenario. And because there's still a lot of bullish fundamentals, but also bullish momentum and hype in the price of CFX, and I also expect some bullish momentum coming in from the entire crypto market later today. So with all of that, at this point in time, I still think this is the most likely scenario, even though obviously it's fairly risky to say, because then I'm practically saying that this move is going from a 150% move to a 200% move, which is quite the difference. But still, it's my analysis. It's based on the technicals, based on the fundamentals, and not my opinion. So that's my analysis for today. If you do have any questions or if you want to discuss anything, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.